You have APAC, right? That's Israel. You could have Gapac.
I think it's really easy for a lot of us just to feel powerless against governments and corporations and just complain on.
Remember, I was talking about the gamer political party. So we need to recalibrate, okay, gentlemen? The gamer political party, gamers interest groups, gamers political action community. You have APAC, right? That's Israel. You could have Gapac, which instead of like, well, I was thinking like because the G would be gamer, but like actually it's okay. I'll think of another name of it.
Stop Killing Games is one of those rare moments where players actually. Ross Scott represented consumers in European Parliament. The movement is now crossed into the United States, where California introduced AB 1921 to stop these companies from effectively destroying games that customers had already purchased.
That's right.
Things are moving way faster than I think most people probably expected, and apparently it's a lot faster than what the games industry expected.
Remember what I told you? It's the year of the chud.